The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, active actions by the units and artillery fire of the Tsentr Group of Forces inflicted fire damage on the enemy manpower and military equipment close to Dvurechnoye, Timkovka in Kharkov region, and Nevskoye and Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 80 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 armored fighting vehicles, and 1 D-20 howitzer were destroyed. In the Krasny Liman direction, Russian artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Tsentr Group of Forces hit units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Yampolovka and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. As many as 60 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and D-20 and D-30 howitzers have been neutralized in this direction during the day. In total, 403 airplanes, 223 helicopters, 3,502 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,363 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,403 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,039 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 960 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 166,570 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,552 tanks, 6879 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky pleased to welcome to Kyiv Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida. Japan is a truly powerful defender of the international order and a longtime friend of Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 21, 2023.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!